to be cutting this wall. So I need some content from a new website. I just published it yesterday. Like I built a new website myself. I did it myself. So there's all these new AI technologies and websites and like builders and stuff now. So it's pretty easy to do it yourself. But so I'm just gonna cut this first. And that's how that's done. Okay, now up top here, just going to do a little, my little guy here. Okay, so this part here, this stuff's going in. This part here. Now I can see the whole stack. Get that out of there. There. How's that, buddy?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to cut this stud thing to get that out of there maybe. I don't think I can get to the joint on this rubber coupling.
So that top stainless steel clip.
Yeah, this one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's another one up here behind the wood.
Well, when the hell did they?
I don't know.
Put in there?
Well, it looks like they did it when they did a bathroom rental because there's a big cutout here and then it looks like it's been drywall mudded over. So when they were doing this reno.
You didn't do that.
No, I didn't do that, but whoever did the bathroom must have finished that wall with a
Well,
little
we had a
drywall mud
leak.
first.
We had a leak up right about where that wood is.
Yeah.
And it was all copper. Eh?
Yeah, I remember doing this part, like rebuilding the bottom of the stack.
Okay, yeah.
Because you had a leak down here, but now the rest of the stack is rotting up top above it, right? Yeah. So we'll take out this 3-inch toilet pipe. So we'll take your toilet off, put in a new toilet flange, and then run a new 3-inch ABS over to the stack here. And then we'll cut this, I'm going to cut this tub drain off is right up to the rough brass waste overflow up here. and then I'll bring a 1.25 inch, like a smaller rubber coupling to go attach onto that. It's in a tough spot there. And then we'll run ABS into the stack. And then upstairs, we can get rid of your kitchen sink T because that thing's capped off permanently. That's not used anymore. But the sink drain, we're gonna have to put in a new TY there and then run a new sink drain over and then out into your cabinet in your bathroom. Put on a new P-trap, hook it all up in ABS. And then that's it. You've already got an expansion joint here and stuff, so you don't need a new expansion joint. We just got to get rid of this old copper. You can see how thin it is when I touch it like that. It's not going ting ting ting. It's more like a paper thin kind of feeling. Like I can flex the copper with my hands here. So,
Really?
yeah, but I got pretty strong arms, so it might not work for you.
Well, I
I'm
was
just
looking
kidding.
at it thinking, yeah, I don't know.
So yeah, that's the main stack. I'm gonna grab my phone here. It's probably still making a video. Just cut that open there. We're gonna take out that toilet pipe. Change all that out to ABS. This is already done down here, so.
You know, one thing I noticed about this, you know, this isn't, what's this here?
That's another drain coming from your kitchen sink. That's your kitchen sink drain.
Okay.
Remember how they dropped it down through the floor?
Okay.
We thought it tied into the stack, but it's not. It's just capped off upstairs. So yeah, that's where they tied in the new kitchen sink ABS right there.
So this part you're going to leave? Yeah.
Yeah, see that's what looks weird to me because there's an extra Fernco coupling here. I didn't put that there. I would have just put one Fernco in the new clean out with the expansion joint. So they must have cut the stack right here and then put in these two fittings when they did that bathroom and that kitchen renovation for you there.
Yeah, I don't know when that was done.
Yeah, but anyway, we'll change all that out to ABS and Water Pros will come and save the day.